So here's what I would do with the $1,000 in crypto. This is not financial advice, by the way, but smash that like button if you haven't already, as an Austin Hilton made an awesome video today about what he would do with
A
$5,000.
very simple crypto investing plan for you. I'm going to share with you in
Austin Hill has been in crypto for about 3 years now, which is absolutely amazing. So there is some like proof to his work.
this video. So if you had 5,000 to put into crypto and you're trying to figure out what to
I guess a lot of people start with 1,000, 2,000, and they can either get really lucky and make to 100,000 or just slowly rise up. And the issue is it's really hard to time those crypto markets.
buy, that's what I'm going to cover. Now, obviously the amounts are different. Let's say you have 1,000, 2,000, 10. Doesn't really matter the amount.
Exactly. So he says it doesn't matter the amount, even if you start with $100. What matters is your path, your process, and that's really what in the end is the big difference for a lot of people. There's so many scenarios of where it would matter, but in crypto, it simply does not in that sense.
We're going to go with the analogy that you have $5,000 that you want to buy. Okay. Worth of crypto, and you don't know what to buy. And so I'm a big believer in diversification. What does that mean? That means I don't go all in. I don't go all in on one single crypto. The reason is diversify, spread your risk, right? Own different cryptos. That's what you need.
This is very well said. All true, if you have a small portfolio, it really doesn't matter that much, because if the market goes down, you can bet all cryptos will really go down in a long way. And that's the big problem for a lot of these coins. If crypto goes down, so will like all your crypto, not just one, not just two. And I think that's the big difference people keep forgetting.
To really know, and that's a key to investing. It's what I've been doing in stock investing for 30 plus years. See the gray hair if you can right there, Okay, so here we go. All right, so 5,000, very simple. 50% of that into Bitcoin and Ethereum. If you want to do 25% and 25%, doesn't really matter.
So that's the good point I'm seeing right now. Seems like Bitcoin and Ethereum is like the safest pick in crypto overall. Like, it's not going to be the most profitable pick. It's not going to give you 1000x. But the end, it's really not going to destroy your portfolio if the bear markets happen. I think that's the big difference here.
I'm a big believer in 50% of your portfolio goes into these two guys, Bitcoin and Ethereum right here.
So 50% just to start off, because the bear market hits, and it will hit at some point. Right now it's the bull run, but the bear market is not forever. And that's the problematic part. Like, we don't know how long it will last. So I do think it's important to know that crypto is going to rise up at some point. It's going to rise up, back down, or up. It doesn't matter really. And I am honestly really excited for that part. There is a lot of potential in the future, in the near future, that is, on where the crypto markets could go. But we really got to consider, like, is this the worst part? Is this the best part? Because there is a lot of possibilities, a lot of scenarios where it could go. And if it goes bad, you want to have your eggs not in one bad coin, because it's going to go down to crash. But instead, Bitcoin and Ethereum are two safest bets. Now, this is not financial advice, but obviously a lot of people do agree with me here that holding, these type of coins is completely fine.
Coin. As an example, Bitcoin, everybody agrees, is going to go to probably north of 100,000, and let's just say 120,000 plus. Well, we're currently at 41,000, and for Bitcoin to go to 120,000, that's a 3x from right here. So if you put 1,000 into Bitcoin, it's going to 3x. It's going to go up 3 times, right? Now, that's a great return on investment, and I'm not minimizing that, but I'm pointing out that that's a 3x. Ethereum.
Exactly. So Bitcoin just got a 3x. So how much can it actually go up? Ethereum is about like
Everybody,
6,000 now, and that's the big problem, So what I'm seeing right now is crypto can survive in the long run. It just depends how and when, really. Like, how far, how fast can it go? That's what I think is like the ultimate process right now for a lot of people. Like, where will crypto see its end? And I don't think it's gonna be anytime soon or anytime short of, like, I think it's just the start, really.
readily agrees it's going to go to 14,000 plus. That's almost a 7x. So you kind of see where I'm going with this, is that Bitcoin's already had its major run. Now, I'm not taking away from Bitcoin. I love Bitcoin. I own Bitcoin, but I'm talking about just looking at the 3x.
Exactly. So Bitcoin probably saw like a 20,000x beforehand.
I'm going to give you the ones that I like. I like XRP. I like Solana.
I kind of don't agree with XRP because I think to see more gains, it needs a huge bull run. That's the big problem with XRP. Like, if you want to see more XRP gains, there's a far way from actually seeing it. You know, we're still far way ahead, really. And I think that's the big problem with XRP.
Like Cardano. Avalanche has been...
I think Avalanche and Solana have a lot of potential. Yeah, Solana is $70 already. It already did the 7x, but it still has the potential to go up slightly higher. You know, not like ultimately higher, but still slightly higher. That makes a fair chance. And I think that's when it really matters. In that sense, like, might not be the biggest, but definitely it won't be the worst pick in that sense. So I think that really matters in the long run.
On a tear. Polkadot, Chainlink, Polygon. My point is, all of these are good.
So it really is like, as long as you invest in the crypto market, like, some of these are bound to go up.
Really basically cash to take advantage of opportunities, because there are other opportunities out there, like, for example, you know, you've got the, let me show you a couple other ones that I like. You've got Kaspa. Let me show you this one. Okay.
I think Kaspa has great potential, actually. This is one of those tokens that could keep rising up, especially because of the blockchain utilities. It's like one of my top picks for 2023. And I'm not saying it will succeed. I'm saying it has a high chance of succeeding. And I think this is where the importance really comes in, you know, like, people are excited for it. People want to see more of it, and they definitely will see more of it. So that being said, does seem like we have more crypto updates, more crypto news basically on the rise. So I'll keep you guys updated with that being said. Definitely seems like there's going to be more crypto content going on, more crypto bull runs. So if you want to stay subscribed, and that would be awesome, because you would otherwise miss out on potential max gains or potential content, like information that will help on this channel. So smash that like button and see you everywhere.